As a student myself, I feel very emotional making this video on such a sensitive topic. Few years back, I was appearing for an entrance exam, and I very well know what it takes to put in a lot of hard work and dedication just to clear one exam. It's like we students spend 12 to 14 hours on a daily basis just for one thing. Because our entire life revolves around that one thing. Just a disclaimer, this video is not being made in order to gather any views, like, comments or subscribers. It's just a video from one student who is using her social media platform to spread awareness about what is happening around us. I think you guys are well aware of how fucked up our education system is, be it the employability gaps, the incompetence amongst the government school teachers, or the 2024 NEET scandal, or the very recent 2026 NEET scandal, which led to NTA completely cancelling the NEET UG exam just the days after it was conducted. The point over here I'm trying to prove is not that it was being reconducted, but can't this government see that the students who are appearing for this exam, the ones that they call the future Bharat, are hanging themselves to death? Their families are getting traumatized because for them, it was not just another exam. It was the exam for them, the one that has the power to decide their entire future. And one day, a person who has zero relation with whatsoever is going on just decided to show up. Now, before I tell you what Sonam Wangchuk is actually doing, I want you to know what he has already done for a country that is so not ready to pay him back. Sonam Wangchuk is an engineer who founded Celcom. Now, Celcom is Students' Education and Cultural Movement of Ladakh, which basically aims at providing better government school education so that students in Ladakh also get an equivalent education just like other private schools. Nonetheless, he also built an artificial glacier, Ice Stupa, just to solve the problem of water in Ladakh. Not only this, he also built eco-friendly homes, HIAL, Himalayan Institute of Alternatives. So these homes were basically built from sunlight and soil to make sure कि जो भी लोग इतनी ठंड में लद्दाख में रह रहे हैं उनको एक वार्म एटमॉस्फेयर मिले अपने घरों के अंदर, and also to promote sustainability as an option in the infrastructure area. And yet not over. He also built heated tents for like 50,000 plus soldiers without using fossil fuels. Again, promoting sustainability and helping the army people on the collective basis. And now moving outside our national borders, he even brought international recognition in the form of multiple global awards, which were very closely equivalent to Nobel Prize. Despite of achieving so much in his life, he has decided to go to a level where he is not eating for days. A hunger strike just to ask government for one small thing, and accountability. And accountability for not anyone else's actions, for their own actions. Dharmendra Pradhan, our education minister, very well deserves leaving his seat because in his tenure of 5 years, not one, not two, not three, but 7 major paper leaks have taken place. Trust me, NEET UG 2026 paper leak was no less than an organized crime. So I'll tell you what actually happened. On 3rd May 2026, nearly 22 lakh students across the entire country had to appear for a national exam. पर इससे कुछ 15 दिन पहले ही जयपुर के 2 लोगों ने नासिक की एक प्रिंटिंग प्रेस से पेपर लीक करवाकर गुरुग्राम के एक डॉक्टर को भिजवाया, who acted like a middleman. Now this doctor sent this paper to a person in Sikar who formed a WhatsApp group named Private Mafia, which became the main hub of distribution of the NEET paper leak across the country. 30,000 से लेकर 5 लाख रुपए तक दिए गए इस पेपर के लिए. In fact, एक बच्चे ने तो 28 लाख रुपए दिए. Now, one of the students who had given 30,000 to get this paper sent this paper to his father, who was working in a hostel. Now that father gave this paper to few of the other girls in exchange of the money. और अगले दिन जब एक बच्चे के हाथ वो leaked paper लगा, he took it to his coaching class and compared it with the actual exam. And I kid you not, 90 questions from biology and 45 questions from chemistry were exactly the same. मतलब एक punctuation mark का भी difference नहीं था. So obviously he went to the police station जहाँ से उसे भगा दिया गया, and then he mailed NTA regarding the same, and when NTA did a proper investigation into the same with help of Rajasthan Special Operation Group, it found out that the scam had actually taken place, because of which the NTA had to cancel this very exam just the days after it was conducted. मतलब खुद सोचो कि कितना ही extreme हुआ होगा that a person like Sonam Wangchuk had to go on a hunger strike, ready to die for a country that is still not ready to give him an accountability. It's been 20 days marking today that he has not taken even a single bite of food. He is on an indefinite hunger strike in front of Jantar Mantar in Delhi with the help of other youth-led protests, and doctors are saying that his organs are about to start failing and he has already lost 10 kgs of his weight. I mean, he is ready to die for a country that is still not working on providing an accountability for their actions. मतलब what he is asking, मांग क्या रहा है ना वो बंदा, he is just asking the public servants to be accountable to their public. Now before I move forward, I need to tell you what is the actual use of this hunger strike. So a hunger strike is someone's reputation, something that they have built over years with their values and actions, getting converted when that person is willing to suffer publicly only to stand against a cause, to create a leverage, a pressure of his sacrifices so that other people do not suffer. Similarly, over here, Sonam Wangchuk is placing his 30 years of dedication and selfless service as a collateral on the table in front of the government only in exchange of some serious transparency and accountability. And this is not about politics or choosing any particular political party. This is just about standing against a system who has failed every single time. Being a student myself, we are not only asking for financial compensation. We are also asking you that how will you compensate us for the pressure that we need to put ourselves to compete for these exams. The sleepless nights we spend and mental health, उसकी तो बात ही करना छोड़ दो ना, वो तो मजाक ही बनकर रह गया है. And not only this, families traumatized हो जाती है यार. Our parents spend years earning hard-earned money only to educate us. और किस लिए? कि एक दिन वो सुबह उठेंगे और उन्हें अपने बच्चे का suicide note मिलेगा. I am just not able to comprehend one simple thing. If this government has the audacity to tax every single middleman this high, to take money from the public just to spend for their welfare, then why every single day we wake up to a new scandal? मतलब हमारे पैसे लेकर हमें ही बर्बाद किया जा रहा है. I mean, चाइना को ही देख लो यार. हर साल वहां पर 1.3 करोड़ स्टूडेंट्स अपीयर करते हैं वहां के नेशनल एंट्रेंस एग्जाम के लिए. And till date, not even single paper leak has been reported. वहां पर हर पेपर प्रॉपर सिक्योरिटी सर्वेलेंस से बनाया जाता है एंड प्रॉपर पुलिस एस्कॉर्ट्स एंड प्योर सेफ्टी के साथ ट्रांसपोर्ट किया जाता है. और जिस दिन पेपर होता है प्रॉपर सर्वेलेंस, ड्रोन्स, फेशियल रिकॉग्निशन और पता नहीं क्या क्या सिक्योरिटी मेजर्स लिए जाते हैं. एंड जस्ट इन केस अगर पेपर लीक हो भी जाए, they have proper criminal charges against the person and the person is meant to be jailed then and there. और यहाँ मिनिस्टर्स कह देते हैं कोई बात नहीं, बच्चों की तो 2-3 साल की मेहनत है, दोबारा दे देंगे पेपर, not a big deal. At this point ना, I feel कि ये सब कुछ ना एक लूप बनकर रह गया. Even if people like Sonam Wangchuk show up today, thinks they might get a temporary solution. But what guarantee is there that things will actually end for good in a permanent way? What guarantee do we have that students like us, or even a common man, won't suffer who believes in their own hard work? The point for me to create this video was not only to spread an awareness regarding what is happening around the country, but to seriously question the government. When will you fix this system?